Alright, so here is a look inside this 8032, otherwise known as an SP9000 series, a SuperPET. And yes, there is much damage. And you know, it's a funny thing, because I don't think the light came on. It did not come on. Why did the light not come on? Well, I guess this is okay. I'll try and stay at an angle. Anyway, there's still lots of stuff to deal with in here. There's all the little jumpers that make it a 40 or an 80. That's pretty rusty. And then we go down, down, down. There's the EEPROM that doesn't have a cover. We'll fix that. And it doesn't look so bad back in here, because I guess the mice couldn't get to it. That's the 6502 socket that, of course, we just took the connecting cable out of. There goes the keyboard cable. So it's really where the mice could get at on the lower level that shows the most damage, filth, etc., etc. Now, let me just rub this board a second. I'm sure what this will say here is, yeah, it's a universal. I figured it would be. Anyway, this may end up being a donor, we'll see. There's still, like, here's the power. There is corrosion, etc. Now, does the power supply work? I don't know. Not yet. I won't give that a try at the moment. I'll just leave it. At some point I do want to figure out about these magical little jumpers in here and how you do different things with the jumpers and change that chip right there, the one that's in a socket, 901-474-03. Swap that with one from a FAT40 and you've got a FAT40 after you do whatever the switches are. And it's, you know, they're not all marked that they need to, but it probably means, like, it looks like there's 2 locations for all of these. It does. So it probably means every one of these things has to be taken out and moved over, or other wires put in and these ones cut, or, you know, whatever. I did see one machine that had, like, pins installed in here, and then you could do things with these big jumpers. But I've never tinkered with it. Anyway, back to the front. Oh my. Yeah, that pretty much says it all. Well, I hope the mice enjoyed their stay. I hope. Anyway, the SuperPET on the inside. But, you know, remarkably, a bunch of these things will be able to be saved, I would bet. You know, a little cleaning, a little tender, loving care. So, that's enough of a look inside.